So a little bit about me. My name is Kate Hiscox. I'm the founder and CEO of DAX. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I built and sold companies privately. I've also taken one public on the Toronto Stock Exchange. I'm fortunate to have a group of happy investors that follow me from deal to deal, including this one, DAX, which we believe to be the future of cryptocurrency trading. Now, the presentation today will cover what we do at DAX, and I'll also explain why you should take a look at our offering, DAX Coin. And finally, I have some pretty big news at the end of this presentation, so you guys shouldn't go anywhere. So this slide here, these are two big numbers which we believe present cryptocurrency trading's biggest challenge and opportunity. On the left, you've got average daily volume for cryptocurrency trading, pretty big number at 20 billion. And so you compare it to the number on the right, which is the average daily volume for Forex, which trades over $5 trillion every day. Now, do we think that crypto volumes will catch up with the volumes of the Forex and capital markets? We absolutely think so. But that won't happen without institutional trading from banks and brokers. So how do we get them interested in the cryptocurrency market? The good news is they already are. But here's the challenge. This guy's had a recurring role, I think, today. We all recognize him. We've all seen the movies. We've seen movies of brokers in large rooms, lots of screens, scrambling around, trading like their lives depend on it. But movies are real life. You're never going to see a broker frantically trying to find the post-it with the password for Binance on it so that they can log in and trade. Institutional trading just doesn't work that way. No offense to Binance. Obviously, they're a great company. Now, trading in the Forex and capital markets looks like this. Global liquidity networks that connect banks, brokers, OTCs, and exchanges. And this is exactly what we do at DAX. Now, before we dig into the architecture, what is to stop, you could ask, an existing cryptocurrency exchange achieving this? And the short answer is technology. Pretty much all of our competitors have been built using technology and APIs that are better suited for web applications. Instead of building with FIX, that's FIX, FIX, which is the API language of the global financial markets. This means that cryptocurrency exchanges today, they're slow and they're incompatible with the incumbent technology used by institutional traders. DAX is built to speak FIX, which means we can plug into pretty much anybody. Now, our architecture comprises of 4 key components. Trading via DAX markets, that's at the top there. DAX Connect, which is our liquidity network or matching engine. Settlement through our wallet infrastructure. And finally, reporting. So starting with the top, DAX Markets, this is our web and mobile trading platform that launches at the end of this month, September. DAX Markets supports crypto and token pairs, CFD, futures, options, contracts, and other synthetics. Moving to the center, we have DAX Connect, an ECN, or as we call, a matching engine in crypto. So the DAX Connect matching engine, it's been battle-tested basically in the world of Forex, which we've adapted for cryptocurrency trading. DAX Connect is a hub that allows banks, brokers, OTCs, and even other crypto exchanges to connect and trade, creating a global liquidity pool. So not only is DAX Connect capable of an extremely high number of trades per second, it's able to communicate these trades in milliseconds across thousands of trading desks across the globe. Now, physical settlement for DAX Connect happens via DAX Wallets, our FIX-based wallet infrastructure. Now, because DAX Wallets has a FIX API layer, this means that third-party solutions, trading desks, can connect to DAX Wallets to physically settle crypto. And I believe we are the only wallet solution today in the industry with FIX capability. And security, obviously, it's a priority. And while I can't go into too much detail, I can tell you that we're working with leading security experts like Hosho, and that our infrastructure includes features such as automatic asset transfer whenever a threat is detected. We're also in discussions with a global insurer, based not too far from here, in fact, to offer insurance, to provide custodial insurance. Now, finally, we get to DAX Verify. DAX Verify logs transactions from DAX Connect in the format that's required by security commissions when they submit audit requests to license holders. What this means is, if you're a brokerage, maybe a family office, or an exchange, the security commission that issued your license can demand transaction reports for a certain period. If the license holder doesn't comply, they risk suspension or even loss of their license. Based on our discussions with the security commissions that we speak to, both in Canada and over here in Europe, this requirement is expected to be implemented pretty soon for cryptocurrency trading, just as it is right now for stock and Forex. Let's move on to revenue. From a business model perspective, building multiple revenue streams is a priority for us. While we expect to achieve significant revenues from trading, you'll have noticed that we are also leveraging our investment into our technology as well. Our products are also built for natural cross-selling across our client base. And we have four key areas for revenue. I'll talk about three. Trading, obviously, that includes spread, fees, margin interest, and fees for liquidity provision. And don't forget, when we're talking about fees relating to trading, we're not talking about one single exchange. We're talking about we'll be generating fees across an entire network. Our wallet infrastructure, as I mentioned before, which can be integrated with third parties, is based on transaction fees and also carries an active subscription. Reporting is another subscription-based service, again, which is SaaS. Coming back to the valuation of companies, SaaS revenue is always valued much higher than the normal trading revenue. And that brings us sort of nicely into DAX Coin, which we're using to raise $15 million. DAX Coin was approved by the MFSA just this week and is available for purchase today in a private sale at a discount. You heard me, DAX Coin actually, in fact, let's just talk about DAX Coin builds on the success of some well-known models, including the BNB coin, Binance coin. But there's a couple of key differences there. You heard me describe all of the revenue streams that we have in the previous slide. DAX Coin can be used to pay for all of our services at a discount, which creates a lot of natural demand. And just with DAX Coin as well, just with Binance coin, in fact, trades using a DAX Coin pair also include discounted fees. DAX Coin will be trading not just on our exchange by the end of the year, but across our entire network. So that's a really, really large audience. And having taken companies public ourselves, we know what's needed to engage and bring in a constant stream of new buyers. So as you can see, DAX Coin has strong tokenomics and is built really for natural demand creation. So now onto our news. Since this deck was sent into the conference, we've secured 3 partnerships, including a deal that I wanted to share with you with iGaming Platform. So iGaming Platform is the 4th largest white label casino software in the world. They power more than 1,000 online casinos. We've just done a deal with them. Our wallet infrastructure is going to be connected to every single one of those casinos. We'll earn transaction fees for every deposit and withdrawal. So that means that those players on those casinos can bet with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yeah, you've guessed it, with DAX Coin as well, which provides, again, just contributes to that demand for DAX Coin and really helps drive that aftermarket, that trading price. I'm being waved at here. We'll continue to sign these types of deals. Hugely, hugely excited about DAX and the potential that it brings on the institutional side, and obviously with the coin too. If you are interested in purchasing DAX Coin, come find us. I'm here, our COO is here too. You can speak to the very nice guys at Blockchain Assembly as well. And, or come down to our booth in the dungeons at booth 60. So thank you very much.
All right, nicely done.